In this video, we'll show you what to do if the brightness slider is not working on your Dell laptop or PC. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll first need to expand monitors. Now here right click on the first entry and then select disable device. After that, right click on the same entry and then select enable device. Now if you see multiple entries in this section, repeat the same steps for each of the entries. After that, go to this display adapters section and then expand it. Now here you might see an entry named Nvidia, AMD, Intel or Microsoft. Simply right click on the entry that appears and then select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you do this, your screen will go blank for a second or two. After it reappears, click on this scan for hardware changes option and your display driver will come back like this. However, if this doesn't work and you can't access the brightness slider still, right click on the same entry and this time select update driver. Now here select browse my computer and then select let me pick option. Now here you might see one or two options. So I have Nvidia graphics card, so I am seeing this Nvidia option. You might see AMD, Intel or any other. Simply select that and then click next to install it. However, if that doesn't work either, you can then select Microsoft Display Basic Adapter and then click next to install this. Once you do this, you should be able to control brightness without any problems. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply right click on the start icon and then select terminal admin from the list. Now in this window, you will need to type this command, that is sfc/scan now and then hit enter. Once you have run this command, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.